The manner in which the 8 terrorists escaped, the manner in which they were killed, and the manner in which the knives were seized from them. All this raises some questions. I demand a Supreme Court monitor probe which could bring the facts behind the encounter.
Well, this is very surprising and shocking that from a high security central prison of Bhopal, wherein you have all the accused are facing terrorist charges in the state of Madhya Pradesh are lodged over there under trials. Now this daring escape of 8 alleged semi-activists, and then all of them are being killed in an encounter in a place 10 kilometers from the prison. And in this process, a guard has been assassinated of the jail. What is surprising and perplexing to me is that these under trial prisoners are wearing, they are fully clothed, they are wearing shoes, they have watches on their wrist, they have bands on the wrist, they have belts on their trousers. As an under trial, these things are not given to an under trial. Whether it's a wristwatch or bands or shoes or belts. Please also remember that Madhya Pradesh, especially a place called Malwa, has been the epicenter of terrorist actions which have been done throughout India, whether it is Makkah Masjid, Ajmer, Modasa, and various other. So all the accused who are facing charges of Makkah Masjid, Ajmer, Modasa, and also even the attempt to assassinate our Vice President Hamid Ansari. All these people had come from this particular place, and the main accused of Makkah Masjid, Ramji Kalsangre and Dange, are yet to be found. Because there is so much of huge discrepancy in what the Home Minister and the police officials are saying. The Home Minister of Madhya Pradesh says that these under trials were armed with spoons, and the Madhya Pradesh ATS could have easily overpowered them, because an ATS has all sophisticated weapons, and they could have very easily arrested them and we could have convicted them. But people who have run away from prison after assassinating a guard, and they only have spoons. So, this is, to any normal person, this theory is unbelievable, and that is why I am of the opinion that a proper and independent investigation has to be done, so that how did these accused flee from a high security central prison by assassinating a guard over there and their subsequent encounter. I am of the opinion that an inquiry by Supreme Court would unravel and expose everything.
And like earlier also, in recent past, if we can count, various encounters happened, particularly if we talk about Telangana police and now by Andhra police, whether our police is getting more gun-friendly, or they are just believing in executing the people or executing the suspects.
You see, if accused are under trials, they are in jail, they are in judicial custody, and they are being killed, then definitely it shows that something wrong has happened.